Hey guys, Brian here with Dalinghaus Construction. Today we want to talk about your goals on your projects. We want to make sure that we keep your best interests in mind. We know you're going through a bad situation, and the last thing you want to do with other companies is to come and make that bad situation a really crappy situation. So our customer service, that's our number one objective, is to turn your bad situation into as painless and most effective for you, the customer, as possible.